Hello students, this is your English class today. I am Miss Priya Rathore. Please take out your book number 3. Okay, and in book number 3, you have to take out the page number 3 to 32 and 3 3 33. And please mention today's date also 23/10/20. And please mention classwork. Here also you have to mention today's date, that is 23/10/20, and mention classwork. Okay students. Now students, as you know, we had discussed the introduction of letter G in our live session. Okay, so today we will learn the formation of capital G. Okay, and we will do this exercise also, and here we will write capital J. Okay, and while writing you have to say name the pictures of the words that is start with letter J, as we had discussed so many pictures in live session. So let's start the page number 3 to 32. So here it is written, color the jellies with capital J and capital J red. Means we have to color capital J jellies with red color, and the ones with small j yellow, and those are with small j, means this is small, so these jellies we will be color in yellow color. Okay, so let's start. Take out your color box. This is your color box. Okay, so where is red color in this? Do you know? Is it? No. Is it? No. Is it? Yes, it is. So please take out your red color. And where is the yellow one? Is this yellow? No. Is this? No. Is this? Yes. So please take out your yellow color also. Now we will color capital J with red color, as it is written over here, capital J red, and the small j with yellow ones. So tell me, which j is this? Capital or small? It is capital J. So for capital J we will use red one. So start outline. And speak also. J, J, jelly. J, J, jeep. J, J, jacket. J, J, joker. J, J, jam. Now fill it. J, J, jam. J, J, jug. J, J, jar. J, J, joystick. J, J, jacket. J, J, jewelry. Now students, in this way you have to color your jelly neat and clean. Okay, see, my coloring is not going outside. In this way you have to fill your coloring also. Fine. Now tell me, which J is this? Is it capital or small? It is small. And so for small ones we will require yellow color. So here also we will do outline of this. Now let's fill it. Here also you have to speak and color. J, J, make sure you have to speak the phonic also. J, J, joker. J, J, jelly. J, J, jeep. J, J, jelly beans. J, J, jewelry. J ja jam, J ja juice, J ja jacket, J ja joy, J ja jam, J ja jug, J ja jar, J ja juice. See students, in this way you have to color your jelly with the yellow ones. Now tell me which J is this, capital or small? It is small. So for small ones we will use yellow, and for red one, and for capital one we will use red color. Okay, let's do it. See students, in this way you have to complete your page number 3 to 32. Okay, now let's come to the page number 3333. So this is the page number 3333. Okay, and here it is mentioned, trace the letter and color the picture. Means we have to trace this letter, and after that we have to color this picture. So firstly, see, the formation and direction is already given here. That is, firstly we have to make a standing line from red one to blue, and here we have to make little bit curve, then make a small sleeping line on the red line on the top. Now let's start. Make one standing line like this. Okay, and from here we have to take a curve towards upward. Okay, towards left hand side and upward. Then after the first step we will do a second stop, that is a small sleeping line on the top of the red line. Fine. So our letter J is complete, tracing done. Now let's start to the coloring. So for that also you required your color box. So for color the G, we will require a blue color, dark blue color and black one. So firstly we will color the tires. Okay, tires is in black in color. Have you seen tire of your car or any vehicle like your scooties also? That is black in color. So we have to color the tire in black in color. Make sure students your color should not be go out, because this is very curvy and a very small picture is there. Now here also one tire is there, so we will color this one also. Now after color this tire, we will color this light also. Okay, and here we can do a yellow color for light. Okay, now take out your dark blue color and color the Jeep. Students, please do it slowly. Okay. Now students, as you can see, I have done my dark blue color. Now I am going to take a small light blue color for fill the mirrors. These are the mirrors. So take a light blue color for mirror and just fill it. Fine. In this way you can color your Jeep. Fine students. Now after this we have to trace and write. Okay, we will be write the capital J over here. Okay, so please parents, please encourage your child to name the picture and read aloud the letter while tracing and writing. Okay, now let's start the tracing. The first step, keep your pencil on the red line. and come to the third line, that is blue one, and go towards and little bit up, towards left hand side and little bit up. This is capital J. Again make a standing line, go left hand side, little bit up, sleeping line, small sleeping line. Standing line, go left hand side, little bit up, and sleeping line. It is a capital J. Which J is this? Capital J. Which J is this? Capital J. Now here no dots are there, so let's start without dots. Keep your pencil on red line and come down. Okay, and from here you have to go towards the left hand side and little bit up, and make a small sleeping line. That is capital J. Okay, like this. In this way you have to speak and write. Make a standing line, go left hand side, little bit up, make a small sleeping line. Okay, J J jeep, J J joker, J J jelly, J J jellyfish, J J jam, J J juice, J J jar. See students, I have done my work. In the same way you have to complete page number 32 and 33 and submit on Google Classroom, and I'll show you the work of your English workbook. So students, this is your English workbook. Please take out the page number. This page number capital J, page number 3 to 32. Okay, and please mention today's date over here, that is 2/3/23, 10/20, and please mention classwork. Okay students, and as you can see here, capital J is written over here and jelly is mentioned. So what we will say? J J jelly. Speak J J jelly. Okay, so here also you have to trace capital J and write also, as I told you the formation in book 3. In this way you have to complete the page number 3 to 32 in your English workbook also, as I am doing. Standing line, go left hand side, little bit up, and sleeping line, and speak capital J. Which J is this? Capital J. Here also keep a pencil on red line, come down, and from here go towards the left hand side, make a sleeping line. This is capital J. J J jelly, J J jeep, J J joker, J J jelly bean, J J jellyfish, J J jam, J J jar. Make sure your sleeping line should be small. It should not so big. Okay, it's small only. Fine. J J jasmine, J J joker, J J jacket, J J jackal, J J joystick, J J jump, J J jogging. Okay students, in this way you have to complete your English work or workbook also and submit all the work in your Google Classroom. Fine, that's all for today. Thank you.